because, kids love clowns, you know? I'm gonna stop talking.
Guys, practice is canceled. Coach and his staff got food poisoning from a low-rent Sloppy Joe truck.
They're going to be okay, right?
Well, they're pretty sick. The sounds I heard on the other end of that call with Coach shook me to my core. I doubt they'll be back before next week. But don't worry, kids. I will find a replacement coach by tomorrow.
Principal Davis, look, I know I'm just a student and it's none of my business, but what about Mr. Kurtz, the substitute teacher?
Mr. Kurtz? Isn't he kind of...
Amazing. Mr. Kurtz would be a great choice.
The man is teacherly.
I was hoping to hire someone with coaching experience, but Kurtz is always available. I'll call him now.